Hello children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is Operations with Large Numbers. Now let's check multiplication sums. This is a recall exercise. Page number is recall exercise in the page number 12, multiply. So here two type of method is there to multiplication. Number is written according to the place value here. Now with 7 you have to multiply each number. So here 7 into 0 is 0. If any number multiply with 0 is answer is 0. And 7 into 0 is 0. 7 into 0 is 0. 7 2s are 14. Okay, answer is 14,000. So here 1 2 3 4 digit is multiplying with 1 digit. So with 6, the second line number we have to multiply each number. 6 into 8 first, and 6 into 7, 6 into 6, 6 into 5 means with this second line first number with each number. 6 8s are 48, 8 here, 4 carry out to next place. 6 7s are 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 4 means 46. So 646 means the last digit 6 we have to write here, and next number carry out to next place. Now 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. So we have to write 0 here, 1 carry out to next place. Now 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. 34. Okay, so here we have to write together because no number to multiply here. Okay, so no number to multiply, so we can write 34 together. So here in first two questions, this is 1 2 3 4 digit, and this is single digit 1 digit, and here 4 digit, here single digit. Now here 1 2 3 digit, and second line also 3 digit. So with 8 we have to multiply each number. 8 into 4, 8 into 3, 8 into 6, and with the second number we have to multiply each number. 8 into 4, 8 into 3, 8 into 6, and with 2 we have to multiply 2 into 4, 2 into 3, 2 into 6. So before learning multiplication or division, you should know tables at least from 1 to 10 children. Without knowing tables, we can't do multiplication or subtraction sum. So learn properly tables. At least 1 to 10 tables. Now you have to learn tables from 1 to 15, 4 standard. Now 8 into 4 we have to multiply. 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32. Here we can't do it here. Now multiply 8 with each number. 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32. So we have to write last digit 2 here, and this 3 carry over to next place. Now 8 into each number. 8 into 4 over. Now 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So last digit 7 here. Next number 2 carry over to next place. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 2, 49, 50. So no number to multiply again. So we can write together. So with a second line, first number multiplication is over. Now we have to multiply second number. 0 with 4, 0 with 3, 0 with 6. Okay. 0 into 4. This is in a tens place. So we have to convert into tens place. So ones place we have to write 0. So this number in a tens place number. So multiply now. 0 into 4 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. 0 into 6 is 0. Over. 0 with each number is multiplication over. Now 2. 2 in which place? Ones, tens, 100. So fill ones, tens place, and 100 place multiply the number. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. Now answer is 2 7. Here we have to add it. 0 8. 5 plus 6 is 11 means 1 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 2 is 3, 1. Answer is 1,31,872. Now next number is 7 8 9 into 2 3 1. Yeah, we can't multiply directly. So a 7, 8, 9 into 2 in 3, 231. So means with the second line we have to multiply each number. So 1 with 9, 1 with 8, 1 into 7. And second line, so tens place we have to write. Okay, 3 with 9, 8, 7 we have to multiply. And third line, so this is in third line. With 2 we have to multiply 2 into 9, 2 into 8 and 2 into 7. So let's multiply 1 with each number. 1 9s are 9, 1 into 8, 1 8s are 8, 1 into 7, 1 7s are 7. Now first number is over, now second number we have to multiply. So this is in ones tens place, so fill ones place with 0, then start multiplying. 3 9s are 27, so 7 here to carry out to next place. 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 2 25, 26. So last 6 is here, next number to carry out to next place. 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2 22, 23. No number to multiply, so we can write together. So first number over, second number over, third number in third line. So ones tens place we have to, ones place tens place we have to fill with 0. Now to multiply with each number. 2 9s are 18, so 8 here, 1 carry out to next place. 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 17, so 7 here, again 1 carry out to next place. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15. Answer is, we have to add, children. 9, 7 plus 7 15, 1 carry out to next place. Now we have 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 8 is 24, 4 here, 2 carry out to next place. 10, 12, 2 here, 1 carry out to next place. 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7, 8 and 1. Answer is 1,82,259. Okay, 1 lakh. So here 7 plus 6, 6, 12, 13, 13 plus 8, 8, 9, 19, 20, 21 plus 1, 22. Okay. So here 1,82,259. Here another method of multiplication is there. I will try that in exercise sum, children. This is a recall exercise. Now page number is 14. Exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3, multiply. 344 by 372. So 344 into 372 we have to try. 344 into 372. 344 into 372. First question. This is second one, an easy method, and this method is commonly used by Norfield. Now here 344, here given multiply 344 by 372 is given. So here write as it is, and in between by into symbol. With right side number we have to multiply, with 2 we have to multiply 4, and 2 into 4, 2 into 3 each number, first number, and 7 in second line. With 4 with 4 again, and 3 each number, 7 with each number, and next number, this is in a third line, 3 with each number, 3 with 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 3 into 7. Now 2 multiply 2 with each number, children. 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 4s are 8. This method is commonly used in everywhere. Now 2 3s are 6. Okay, now next number, this number multiplication is over. Now second number 7. 7 4s are 28. So 8 here to carry out to next place. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 29 30. So 0 here, 3 carry out to next place. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3 24. 2408. Here it means we have to leave one space. After each line we have to leave one space. Okay. So 688 and one place we have to leave. Now 3. for 2 with 2 we multiply each number, that is first line, and with 7 we multiply each number, that is in second line. Now with 3 we have to multiply each number. Okay, now 3 4s are 12, so again we have to leave one place here. Okay, then we have to start here. Okay, each line we have to leave one space, so this is empty. Now we have to start here. So 2 and 7 multiplication is over. Now with 3 3 4s are 12, so 2 here. 12 means the last number 2 we have to write, and next number 1 carry over to next place. And again 3 4s are 12. 12 means the last digit 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 means 3 we have to write, 1 carry over to next place. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And here we have to add the numbers total. Add the totals here, children. 8 as it is. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 6 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 8, 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 2 as it is 1. Answer is 1,27,968. Now next sum is second one, 286 by 149. So second question, 286 by 149. This is given 286 into 149. So what is the multiplication rule? We have to multiply the right side number this number with each one. 9 with 6, 9 into 6, 9 8s are 9 2s are. Then second line 4 with 6, 8, 2. Then next third line 1 with 6, 1 into 8, 1 into 2. So multiply 9 6 are 9 6 are 45. So you should know tables properly, otherwise you can't do multiplication, children. 9 6 are 45. So 4 carry 45 means the last digit 5 here, 5 we have to write here, and next number we have to carry over to next place. Okay, now 9 8s are 9 4 6 are multiply. Now 9. So here, children, 286 into 149 we have to multiply. 9 into 6, 9 into 8, 9 into 2 we have to multiply. 9 6 are 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54. So 4 here, 5 carry out to next place. And 9 8s are 72, 72 5 carry out to next place. Okay, 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 5 is 75, 76, 77. So 7 here, 7 carry out to next place. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 7 means 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 2, 5, 7, 4 in first line with the 9. Now we have to multiply 4 with 2, 6 and 4 into 8, 4 into 2. 4 with each number. Okay. Now 9 with 9 multiplication is over. Now with 4 we have to multiply. Now 4 6 are 4 6 are 24. So 4 here to carry out to next number. Now 4 with 8. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. So 4 here and 3 carry out. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. So 4 here and 3 carry out to next place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 means 9, 10, 11. Okay, with 9 is multiplication over, with 4 multiplication is over. So it means we have to leave one place and write. And with 1 we have to multiply 1 into 6, 1 into 8, 1 into 2. So leave one space and continue. 1 6 are 6, 1 into 8, 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2. Now add the total, children. 4 as it is. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 here, 1 carry out to next place. Now 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So 6 here, 1 carry out to next place. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 8, 12. 2 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 4, 5. Answer is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. Answer is 42. So answer is 42,614. Now next question is 263 by 345. So 263 into 345 you have to multiply it. Now 5 with 3, 5 into 6, 5 into 2 we have to multiply, and next line 4 with each number, and the next line, third line, 3 with each number we have to multiply. So first multiply with 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 means last number 5 we have to write, and 1 carry out to next place. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 31. So 31 means 1 we have to write, and 3 carry out to next place. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, first line multiplication is over. Now second line multiplication. Now next number, first number with 5 we multiply each number. Now with 4 we have to multiply each term. Okay, each number. 4 3s are 12. 12 means 2 we have to write, 1 carry out to next place. 4 6 are 24. 4 5 is 20. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 25. So 5 here, 2 carry out to next place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 9 10. Okay, this place we have to leave 1. Okay, blank. And next we have to multiply with a 3. So 3 with each number. So leave 1's place, we have to leave next place, and we have to continue with from here. Okay, now 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. So 8, 1 carry over to next place. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Okay, now here add the total. 5, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 9 17. 7 here, 1 carry out to next place. 8 plus 1 9 10. 0, 1 carry out to next place. 7 8 9. Answer is 90,735. So next question, fourth one, 725 by 598. 725 into 598. So multiply with the each number. 8 into 5. 8 with each number, that is first line, and second line 9 with each number, and third line 5 with each number we have to multiply. 8 5s are 40. 40 means 0 here, 4 carry out to next place. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 means 0. 2 carry out to next place. 2 carry out to. Okay. 8 5s are 44. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So 2 carry out to next place. 8 7s are 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2 57. 58. Now first number multiplication over. Now second line, 9 with each number we have to multiply. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. So here to write means we have to leave 1 space and start next line. Okay, next place. 9 5s are 45. 45 means 5 here, 4 carry out to next place. Now 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 18. 19 20 21 22. So 2 here, 2 carry out to next place. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 62 63 64 65. So 6 5 here. Okay, this line is over. Now we have to multiply with 5. 5 with each number. 5 5s are 25. So here again we have to leave 1 space, and here blank. Okay, then 5 5s are 25 means 5 here, 2 carry out to next place. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 here, 1 carry out to next place. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 1 36. Now here we have to add the values. 0 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 1 carry out to next place. 5 plus 5 10. 10 12 13. 3 here, 1 carry out to next place. 6 6 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 3 1 carry out to next place. 3 plus 1 4. Answer is 4,33,550. Now fifth question, 3547 into 764. 3547 3,547 into 764. This is 4-digit number, here 3-digit number. So in right side number we have to multiply with each term. Okay, so 4 with 74573 and 6 with 7453 we have to multiply, and next line 7 with each number we have to multiply. So first 4 with we have to multiply 7. 4 sevens are 28, so 8 to carry out to next place. Now 4 fours are 16, 16 plus 2 17, 18, 18 means 8, 1 carry out to next place. 4 fives are 20, 20 plus 1 21, so 1 here to carry out to next place. 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, first line multiplication is over. Now we have to multiply second line. 6 sevens are 6 6 are 36, 6 sevens are 42, so 2 4 carry to next place. 6 fours are 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, 8 to carry out to next place. 6 fives are 30 plus 2 is 32, so 2 here 3 carry out to next place. 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 3 19, 20, 21. So okay, this place we lived, and now we have to multiply with 7s. 7 sevens are leave one space. Okay, then write here 7 sevens are 49, so 9 4 carry out to next place. Okay, 7 fours are 20, 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 4 is 32, so 2 here 3 carry out to next place. 7 fives are 35, 35 plus 3 36, 37, 38, 3 carry out to next place. 7 threes are 21, 21 plus 3 24. Okay, now we have to add the values here, plus we have to add the total. 8 as it is, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 carry over. 1 plus 2 1 1 2, 2 plus 8 9 10, 10 plus 9 19, 9 1 carry over to next place. 5 6 7 8 9, 8 9 10, 0 here 1 carry out next place. 4 plus 2 6 7 and 2. Answer is 27 lakh 99 27 lakh 9,908 is the answer. Now sixth question, 5,789 by 123 we have to multiply. Okay, 5,783 by 1 you have to multiply. 3 9s are 27 to carry. 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 2 25, 26 to 6 to carry out next place. 3 7s are 21, 21 22, 23, so 3 here to carry out to next place. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 16, 17. Okay, that number is over. Now we have to multiply with 2. 2 into 9, 2 9s are 18 means leave one space, and write 18 means 8 here, 1 carry out to next place. Okay, this place we have to leave. Now 2 9s are 18, 8 1 carry out next place. 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 1 carry out to next place. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, so 5 1 carry out to next place. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay, now we have to multiply with next number 1 with each number. So 1 9s are 9, so we have to leave one space, and 1 9s are 9, 1 8s are 8, 1 7s are 7, 1 5s are 5, and here we have to add the values. 7 as it is. Now 6 plus 8 is 14, so 4 here 1 carry out next place. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 9 is 19, plus 1 is 20, 0 to carry out to next place. So 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 15, 15 plus 7 means 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 means 2 here to carry out to next place. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 7 11, 1 carry out to next place. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. Answer is 7,12,047. 7,12,047 is the answer. Next question, 7th question, 9,895 into 342. 9,895 into 342. So multiply with 2 with each term, next line 4 with each term, and 3 with each term. Okay, each number. 2 5s are 10. So 1 carry out to next place. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So 9, 1 carry out to next place. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So 1, 7 here, 1 carry out to next place. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So first line is over. Now we have to multiply second line. 4. Now 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. So we have to leave this line, this space, and 4 5s are 20. 0 here. 2 carry out to next place. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2 37. 38. 8 here. 3 carry out to next place. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. 5 here. 3 carry out to next place. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. Now we have to multiply 3 with each number. 3 5s are 15. 15 means we have to leave this place. Okay. And 3 5s are 15 means 5 here, 1 carry out to next place. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So 2 carry out to next place. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2 25. 26. 6 here. 2 carry out to next place. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2 28. 29. Without knowing tables, you can multiply, children. You can't try to multiply. You should know tables at least 1 to 10. Now add the values. 0, 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 8, 7 is 14, 15. 15 plus 15, 20. 0, 2 carry out next place. 2 plus 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 8, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 to 4, 2 carry out in next place. 1 plus 9, 10, 10, 16, 17, 18, 8, 1 carry out next place. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10, 13, 13, 3, 1 carry out next place, 3. Answer is 33,84,090. Now next question, 6,834 by 758. 6,834 by 758. Now multiply 8 with each number, and next line 5 with each number, and next line third line 7 with each number. 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. 2 here. 3 carry out to next place. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 7, 2 carry out to next place. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 2 is 65. 66. 6 here. 6 carry out to next place. 8 6 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. No, 48 plus 6 means 54. Now with the next number we have to multiply. With 5 we have to multiply each number. Now 5 into 4. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. So 0 here. This line we have to, this space we have to leave. Okay, leave one space and line. So here no numbers. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry out next place. 5 3s are 15 plus 6 16 17. 1 carry out to next place. 5 8s are 40 plus 1 41. 1 4 carry out to next place. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 34. Now with 7 we have to multiply each number. Now 7 into 4. So leave one space. 7 4s are 32. So 2 3 7 4s are 20. 7 4s are 28. So leave one space and write down, children. Okay. 7 4s are 28. 2 carry. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 20. 21 22 23. 3 2 carry over to 7 8s are 56. 56 57 58. 5 carry out to next plane. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5 means 46 47. And here plus symbol. Now add the total. 2 as it is. 7 plus 0 is 7. Now 7 7 14 15. 15 plus 6 means 21. 1 here. 2 carry out to next place. 2 plus 4 is 6 7. 7 plus 3 10 0. 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 6 10. 18. 1 carry out next place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 1 carry out next place. 4 plus 1 is 5. Answer is 51,80,172. Now ninth question. 9,039 by 261. We have to multiply. First we have to multiply 1 with each number, and next line 6 with each number, and we have to multiply 2 with each number. So first start 1. 1 9s are 9. 1 3s are 3. 1 0s are 0. And 1 9s are 9. Now next number 6. 6 9s are 54. 5 carry out to next place. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 4, 2 carry out to next place. 6 zeros are 0. Any number multiply with 0 is 0. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now 6 9s are 54. 54. Now next line, with 2 we have to multiply each number. Okay, with 2 each number we have to multiply. Okay, this number we have to leave, and here we have to leave one space and write. 2 9s are 18. 8. 1 carry out to next place. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 into 0 is 0. Any number multiply with 0 is 0. 2 9s are 18. Now find the total of this number. Here we have to plus. Add it. 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2. 1 carry out next place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10. 12. 12 plus 17, 18, 19. 9 here. 1 carry out next place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 8 plus 5 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4. 1 carry out to next place. So 2. Answer is 24,59,179. 179. 24,59,179. Now 10th question. 2,734 into 367. Now with 7 4s are 28. 8. 2 carry out to next place. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 22. 23. So 2 carry out to next place. 7 7s are 49. 49 50 51. 1 5 carry out to next place. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Answer 1938. Now we have to multiply with 6 each number. 6 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 24 means 4. This line we have to leave. Okay, 24. So 2 carry out to next place. 6 3s are 18. 19 20 0. 2 carry out to next place. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 2 44. 4 4 carry out to next place. 6 2s are 12. 16 plus 4 is 16. Now we have to multiply with 3. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 2. Next question, 11th one. 4,038 into 211. Now we have to multiply. 1 8s are 8. 1 3s are 3. 1 0s are 0. 1 4s are 4. Now next one number. 1 8s are 8. 1 3s are 3. Leave one space and write. Okay. 1 0s are 0. 1 4s are 4. And 2 we have to multiply. 2 8s are 16. 6 here 1 carry out to next place. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 zeros are 0. 2 4s are 8. Now here total is 4,008. 8 plus 3 9 10 11. 1 here 1 carry out to next place. 6 plus 3 9 10. 0 1 carry out to next place. 7 10 11 12. 1 carry out next place. 4 plus 1 3 and 8. Answer is 8,32,000. 8,52,018. because 1 plus 4 is 5. So 8,52,018. Now 7067 into 593. 3 sevens are 21. So 2 carry out to next place. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 19 20. 0 2 carry out to next place. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 2. 3 sevens are 21. With 9 we have to multiply again. Okay. 9 sevens are 63. 3 6 carry out to next place. 9 6 are 54. 9 5 are 45. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6 means 60. 0 6 carry out to next place. 9 zeros are 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 9 sevens are 63. Now we have to multiply next number with 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35 means 5 here. 3 carry out to next place. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. So 3 carry out to next place. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 sevens are 35. Find the now here 13th one 4290 into 2400. So we have to multiply with each number. 0 9s are 0. 0 into 1 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 4 is 0. Now with second 0 we have to multiply each number. 0 into 9 is 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 4s are 0. Any number multiply with 0 is 0. Now with 4 we have to multiply each number. 4 9s are 36. So 6 here. 3 carry out to next place. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 2 1 9. 4 2 1 9. Okay. Yes. 4 2s are 8. Then 4 4s are 16. Now with 2 we have to multiply. Leave one space and write, children. 2 9s are 18. So 8 here. 1 carry out to next place. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 2 2s are 4. And 2 4s are 8. 8,438 and 66. Okay. Find the total now. 0 0 0 plus 6 is 0. 7 plus 6 7 14 15 5. 1 carry our next place. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 1 carry out to next place. 4 plus 6 10 11. 1 1 carry out to next place. 9 10. 1 crore 1 lakh 1 crore 1 lakh 25,600. 14th question, children. 14th one 8,507 into 1 to 1,234. Now 4 into, so first we have to multiply it with 4. 4 sevens 28. 4 sevens are 28. 2 carry out to next place. Now 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 0. 2 carry over to next place. 4 8s are 32. 32 33 34. Okay. Now with second number we have to multiply 3 with each number. Okay. Now 3. 3 sevens are 21. 1 2 carry over to next place. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 5s are 15. 5 1 carry over to next place. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. Now next with 1 we have to multiply, with 2 we have to multiply each. Okay. 3 over now 2. Leave one space and write, children. 1 sevens are 7. 1 zeros are 0. 1 5s are 5. And no, we are multiplying with 2, not with 1. 2 sevens are 14. With 2 we are multiplying. 2 sevens are 14. 1 carry out to next place. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 5s are 10. So 0 1 carry out to next place. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 is 17. Now we have to multiply. Okay, with 1. 1 sevens are 7. 1 zeros are 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 8s are 8. Now here 8. 2 plus 1 3. 4 plus 2 5 6. 4 plus 5 9 10 17. 1 carry out to next place. 5 plus 3 8 9 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 6, 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4. 1 carry out to next place. 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 10. 1 lakh, 1 crore 4 lakh 97,638 is the answer. Now 15th question, 4,324 into 3,609. Now with 9 we have to multiply each number. 9 4s are 36, so 6 3 carry out to next place. 9 into 2, 9 2s are 18, 18 8 19 20 21, so 1 2 carry out to next place. 9 3s are 27, 27 and 28 29, 9 2 carry out to next place. 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 2 37, 38. So next we have to multiply with the next number. 0 0 with each number. Now 0 into 4 0, that we have to leave one space and write 0 2s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 4s are 0. Then after that we have to multiply with the 6 and 6 with each number. 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 4 1 carry out to next place. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry out to next place. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. Now after that we have to multiply with 3. Okay, so 3 lines over. Now fourth line we have to multiply 3 with each number. So 3 4s are 12, leave one space and write 3 4s are 12, 1 carry out to next place. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now add the total now children. Now add the total. 6 1 plus 0 is 1, 9 plus 4 is 13, 3 1 carry out to next place. 8 plus 2 10, 10 14, 14 plus 1 15, 5 1 carry out to next place. 3 plus 9 10, 9 plus 3 plus 1 10, 10 13 plus 7 means 20, 0 2 carry out to next place. We have to add here children. And 2 plus 5 6 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, 6 here 1 carry out to next place. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 and 1. So answer is 1 crore 56 lakh 316.